In this video, we're going to show you how to create your first job. Let's get right into it. Okay, we're back to our dashboard, and creating a first job is obviously the projects. We've done clients, we've done sites. Now we're going to go for the jobs. And as you can see, this is like a small pipeline that we still design, we're still working out on the design and all that. But at least it's already functional. That's the main thing for MVP, for us, for our journey. And then we need to create a job. So then we have that kind of sitting here in the lead. Let's do add the job. So client, as in the previous video, we've looked at that. We've created myself there as a client. So you pick up the client. It already picks up his address, estimator, obviously, because we're using solo. That's a separate video for the subscription, what they include. But as you're running a solo subscription, basically you are the client, you are the estimator, you are the installer, you are the one-man band. So it won't give you all the options to choose from your estimators. But this is we'll pick me as an estimator, which is actually true. And yes, I'm the estimator, so I can run it. But I can't share the more information with the others because subscription is one person. Notes, again, if we need to add any note, let's put test note just in case and create a job. Let's see where it lands. Now we have a lead. Now we created the lead. You can have your office to put it in for yourself, so then you can see it, and then you can move actually to your. So that sits as a lead, and see this green. So we have a timer on that to keep you going. This is the one that will change the color in, like, let's say 3 days it will be yellow. In 7 days it will be red. That's for another video. We've created a job. Now it sits in a lead in that kind of a pipeline, which is lead, site measure, sent, scheduled, completed, declined. That's all you need. You don't need a longer like CRM. It's a small CRM, but this is mainly the schedule one. That's where you see all your jobs, all your clients, and all that. But anyway, jobs created. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Let's build the best flooring app in the industry. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one.